Hello, Hardreset here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Shopify app, any issues on iOS. So first, what you need to do is go to the App Store, search bar, Shopify, here, and first you want to make sure that you have newest version of the Shopify. There, when I have the open bar, there should be update bar. Is it available? Is it not? This means that you have the newest version. So when you have the newest version and you still have the issue, you just need to go here, go up to the settings, go to the all the way down apps, go here, Shopify, and you need to make sure that you have the same settings than me, because I have the fabric, like Siri, everything here, search here, language English. You don't need to have the English because can be your language, but I have the English because if this didn't work and you still have some issues with the app, the last way is go up here, go like Shopify, remove app here, uninstall, go back to the App Store and install again, and that should fix your any issues and problems with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.